comprised of 7 heavy-duty Fusion brushless tools, our highest performing tools, plus 3 job site essential tools that every tradie needs. And all for just $19.99. During tax time, we're throwing in another 2 bonus tools via redemption, turning your 10-piece kit into a 12-piece. And there are 30 tools.
Hello guys, this is the XM5 got that right hand broken, and as you can see I able to rebuild it. So what really happened is what tool do you need for this job is you need the very good epoxy, Phillips head, and then some tweezer, and you need a good fouling machine as well. So with a little bit of patience and redo the job, you can rebuild your Sony XM5. Thank you for watching.